name is Mélanie. I work on muscle regeneration. Muscle function is a vital component of good health. Our muscles work tirelessly to make us breathe, move, eat, and communicate. Our muscles are under constant strain, which can lead to damage. Fortunately, they can regenerate. Muscle regeneration relies on the presence of precursor cells. They are called muscle stem cells. Normally, muscle stem cells are at rest. They sleep peacefully in their niche. But when our muscles are injured, they spring into action. Muscle stem cells are activated, multiply, and fix damaged muscle fibers. Unfortunately, muscles do not always regenerate properly. Around 1 in 3,500 boys worldwide are born with duchenne muscular dystrophy, a rare genetic disorder. In this disease, muscle fibers are more fragile and more easily damaged. On top of that, muscle stem cells don't work well and can't fix all the damage. Muscles get much weaker, which severely limits quality of life and survival. To make muscle stem cells as effective as possible, it's essential to understand how they are activated. And here is the aim of my PhD project. I want to find out new pathways that control muscle stem cell activation. But the activation step is not easy to grasp in humans. As soon as muscle stem cells are collected from a muscle, they get activated. It's no longer possible to study what triggers the shift from their resting state to their activated state. To overcome this limitation, I work with an in vitro model of human muscle cells. Once isolated, muscle stem cells grow in a dish and form stem cell-like cells. These cells have a big advantage. I can activate them and follow their activation at any time. So if I change the amount of a specific protein, I can see how that affects the activation of these cells. In this way, I can know which proteins are important in this process. Using this model, our lab has already identified 2 proteins that promote muscle stem cell activation: a calcium channel and a giant protein. How do these proteins work? That's what I want to find out. Their study seems really promising. Curiously, both proteins are more abundant in Duchenne muscular dystrophy. They could offer new ways to understand and treat the disease. Overall, by discovering the key factors that activate muscle stem cells, I hope to help us keep our muscles strong and healthy.